everyone, so it's your girl Amy from Kaida Wardrobe and welcome to my channel. So this is my first video on my YouTube channel and I'm going to knock it off with a haul video since that I know that everyone likes to watch haul video, which I personally love to watch haul video and the most easiest video like to do. Alright, so I'm going to divide this video with two parts. The first one will probably the drugstore makeup or product, and the second part would be a high-end sort of makeup. Let me show you this little teeny mini gadget right here, which I actually got recently, and look how tiny it is. See? So this gadget is what is actually handy if you are filming or doing some selfie type of picture. And I got this at Amazon because it's not available in any store here in the Netherlands, so I need to really get it at Amazon. So I'm going to put a link down below in the description bar where you can get this cute gadget right here. And BH Cosmetics, so my boyfriend got it from last year. Let's start with the concealer. I got two different shades of concealer, and this is their concealer and corrector from BH Cosmetics. Alright, so this concealer palette consists of 6 different shades, and the first one that I'm going to show you is the light one. I hope that the camera will go into focus. And these are the shades that comes with. So this product is actually handy if you were doing freelance makeup because you have 6 different shades to play with to get the right color that you need for your client. And the next shade is medium, which probably something that I could try myself since that I have this tan medium complexion. And these are the colors looks like. So you can have an idea how they look like. So if you are interested to purchase it for yourself, then here's how it looks like. I got 2 Blooming Radiance mineral foundation powder. I got 2 different shades here, and this is how the box looks like. Alright, so the first shade that I'm going to show you is actually this one is neutral beige, and this is how the packaging or the container looks like. And it comes with a sifter, and I can really barely see the true color. I think when I can put them next to each other, I think that I could see it. So the other shade that I got is actually called Warm Beige. So they kind of have a very teeny mini difference. I think that this one is more like yellow tone, and this one is more like a pink tone, if I'm not mistaken. So this is how it looks like. Is their Bombshell Bronze Matte Bronzer. This is how it looks like. Very nice packaging. And this is how the actual product looks like. Very simple, and yeah, it looks kind of cute, the detailing. And this one is in the shade Diva, and it's a matte bronzer. So I love matte bronzer, and yeah, because if you if you have pores on your skin, you don't want to use something that has shimmers on it because it will just emphasize your pores, and nobody wants that. So this is how it looks like. I'm going to write a review on my website, which I'm going to link down below in the description box, so definitely keep eye on that. So there you go. Very nice, right? And it looks like a very nice, compact, very tiny. You can toss it in your purse. Alright, so the next product I'm going to show you is the W7 In the Night Smoky Palette Shades. And In the Night, I think that's the name of the palette. It's purple. I got it because of the color. So this is how it looks like. It comes with a bunch of purple shades, pinks, bronze color. Look at that. It kind of looks good. I tried it a couple of times. I'm not really a fan. I Wet n Wild lipstick in the shade Think Pink. Very neutrally pink color, great for everyday. Kiko Cosmetics, and I got this palette called Bright Nights palette. First of all, look at the detail. It's really gorgeous, compact palette. I really like the color, and it looks like 3D kind of thing. And then when you open it, which I cannot open, it comes with a mirror, which I'm not going to show you, others I'm going to blind all of you. But these are the gorgeous shades. It comes with 3 matte color and 3 shimmery color. I'm really excited to try this palette because they definitely have like very gorgeous colors, and like the color combination are really great too. So this is how the palette looks like. It was it is a quad, and it comes, and I picked up these 4 different colors, so you could pick up like colors that you wanted to put in this compact palette. So I came out with this beautiful color, shimmery. Isn't it gorgeous? I got like also like a mono eyeshadow, palette, compact. So it comes with a mirror too, and this one contains 3 different colors, like more like green shade turquoise, I think. There you go. Next thing that I'm going to show you are 2 eyeliners from Kiko Cosmetics once more. It's their sport proof eyeliner, and I got this number 4. I'm sorry they don't have any names, it's just number, but this is number 4. It's a turquoise color, as you all can see, or yeah, I think it's more like turquoise color. Pretty. And the next one, and I don't own this particular color, that's why I get it. Plus it says like it's sport proof, so it could be like, it wouldn't smudge or blotch at all. And the next color is number 2. It's just a brown, brown bronzy color, I think. And I don't own this color too in my makeup collection, so might as well get in this color. And the next thing that I'm going to show you is a lip liner from the brand Belle. This is their Precision Stay On Lip Liner in the shade, which is great if you have like pink lipstick and you wanted to first outline your lips with the lip liner, then this color would be great. And the next one that I'm going to show you is a Catrice liquid liner waterproof in the shade Don't Leave Me. Also people are talking about it. This is how the eyeliner looks like. For beginners, this is the eyeliner would be great for you because it has a felt tip applicator. It means that you have a lot of control when you are doing your cat eye or your precise eyeliner applications. From Essence, this is a Get Big Lashes Volume Boost Waterproof Mascara. That's a mouthful. And I think that all of you could get this one easily at your local drugstore in your area. So this looks like it has definitely a very big brush applicator or mascara applicator, but I definitely love it and highly recommend to everyone.